Fixflo's out-of-hours video maintenance and call-out solution helps to resolve issues faster by increasing all first-time fixes to 70%, minimising call-out charges, and protecting your properties from emergency issues 24/7. Imagine this. It's 11 p.m. Your occupier has an uncontrollable leak in their flat. They report the issue through Fixflo. A guidance and advice pop-up tells them how to stop any further damages to the property immediately. Pop-ups are fully customisable and can help to filter out 20% of issues. Once the issue is reported, the occupier and the agent receive an email notification. Within 5 minutes, the occupier receives a text message with a video call link that connects them to an experienced contractor. In 1 in 5 cases, the issue is fixed then and there. The contractor fills out a report to indicate that the issue has been resolved permanently, temporarily, or diagnosed pending a further call-out. If the issue is resolved on the call, this is automatically closed on Fixflo, saving your landlord unnecessary call-out fees. If additional work or an emergency dispatch is necessary, notes and photos taken during the call are then attached to the assigned contractor so that they can diagnose the problem before they arrive on site. This is why more issues are fixed permanently with just one call-out. Emergency works can be sent directly to Fixflo's contractor marketplace. Non-emergencies can be sent to a contractor of your choice and charged using a day rate. If an event is triaged as an emergency, occupiers will receive a phone call confirmation within 30 minutes, and a contractor will be on site within 4 hours. Fixflo's out-of-hours video maintenance and call-out solution will provide your agency with 3 layers of advanced triage protection for out-of-hours emergencies, helping you to win more customers and offer a better service. Ensure that only vetted and trusted contractors attend your properties, maintaining a strict service level agreement. And help you and your team to get your evenings and weekends back. So what are you waiting for? Book a free demo with our team today.